Hello guys, I am Dev and this is CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript's project 2 commerce. So I am on the index page and I am signed in as Dev Patel, and if I these are the active list. There is only one, and if I click on it, it takes me to that particular listings site. And since I'm signed in, it gives me the option to add this listing to my watch list, or place a bid, or place any comment. And also, since this user itself is the creator of this listing, it gives the option to close this particular listing. So say I add this particular listing to my watch list, then if I go over here, it appears over here, and if I remove it, then it vanishes. So now let's try placing a bid, say 16,000, and it gets added over here on the top. And if I just add one, it will say that bid should be greater than 16,000. So that's that. Now if I want to add a comment, say then it will get added over here. Next, if I just log out and if I just log out and then click on that particular listing, that doesn't give me the option to add this to the watch list, nor does it give the option to place a bid or add any comments. Now if I log in, but this time with another user, and just place a bid 17,000, now it gets added over here. And since this user isn't the creator of that listing, it doesn't show close listing option over here. Now let's say we want to close that listing. So I go close the listing, and then the place bid option vanishes. I can still add a comment, I can still add it to my watch list, but I can't place any bid. And it says that this listing has been closed. The winner is user, and the highest bid was 17,000, which it is indeed. Next, if I go to say create listing and add say a car, cool car, and current bid is say 30,000, and the image URL is let's not give it a URL and say just sports car. Then click submit, then it comes this is that particular listings site. And if I go back to listings, then since we closed that golden retrievers listing, it doesn't appear in the active listings page. And now we added that car, and since there isn't any image, doesn't show an image. But say if we want to add an image, but so I will do that from this add Django administration page over here and give the image URL of then click save. Then it will, if I refresh over here, it will. Now if I just log out and log in with the other user that I have created, then and just place a bid, say 50,000, and then again and also let's add it to the watch list. Now if I log out and then log in again with say the creator of that particular listing, and go close that listing over here, then it says the winner is you. But if I go and log in with the user's perspective, since that particular listing has been closed, it doesn't appear in the active listings page. But that's why I added it in the watch list, just to show you this, that the winner is you. Now let's go to categories and go to say home. Since there wasn't any listing with that category, it just stays blank. But if I go to sports, then it will show that recently added listing that we added just now. Now if you go to categories and say we add a category from here, say dog, then go over here and refresh, then it will add that particular category over here. So that's the Django administration interface. And clearly, apart from the user, there are 4 other models. That was CS50's web program with Python and JavaScript's project 2 commerce. Thank you.